Hi everyone, my name is Enda Murphy and I'm the PI on the Noise Adapt project. Noise Adapt stands for Transitioning to Strategic Noise Mapping under CNOSSOS-EU, and I'll explain what that means in a moment. The project is a 3-year project and it's a joint project between UCD and colleagues in Trinity. UC team includes Dr John Paul Faulkner and myself, and the Trinity College team includes Henry Rice from Mechanical Engineering and John Kennedy, also from Mechanical Engineering in Trinity. Under the Environmental Noise Directive in 2002, major cities over a population of 100,000 people are required to map their cities for noise from transportation sources as well as industrial sources. Under that directive as well, major transport sources outside of agglomerations are also expected to be mapped, and this mapping has to be done every 5 years, which began with the first round in 2007. However, since the Environmental Noise Directive has been implemented in 2002, there has been calls from scholars and various policymakers to move towards a standardised approach for noise mapping and measurement of exposure from noise in Europe, which had not been the case. There was varying approaches for varying countries across Europe. An amendment to the directive in 2015 required all EU countries to move towards a common approach for modelling and assessing population exposure from transport sources in EU countries. So the project has focused on understanding Ireland's transitioning needs, including what new data is required for this new methodology. In addition, we've also undertaken a number of noise validation experiments, which essentially compares noise measurements in the real world with what are modelled under abstract conditions. And we have found the CNOSSOS model to be a good fit for agglomerations, especially in Ireland. As well as that, one of the major outputs from the project has been the development of a guidance document for practitioners to assist them with implementing the new standardised modelling and estimation exposure methods in Ireland from the 2022 noise mapping round. We think this document will be very valuable for practitioners and really assist them with coming to terms with the new requirements of the Common Noise Assessment Method, or CNOSSOS-EU. Ultimately, we hope the project will contribute to the provision of a more robust framework for modelling and estimating noise exposure from transport and industrial sources in Ireland in the future.